Rasta. Are the only way of life where we see as true. You understand me? You know, to each his own, you know, and this is when I not talk about me say way of life, I not talk about no religion thing, you know. I talk about in a liberty where I deal with right and uprightness. You understand me? At the movement, at the liberty. Because I know how much you know about really how much you want to study. Your work, so you deal with. You understand me? I try to say? His Imperial Majesty give you one order in the earth and have to live in a perfect love with one another. Yeah, we are going to have a disagreement, but we have to come to a resolution and love at the end of the day. And that Rasta deal with. And not just love for mankind alone. Love for the earth that you stand up on, love for the animal, them, for the tree, them, everything we see now we Jah create. You understand me? I try to say? Mother Earth there before you know. Jah create earth before he create man. So man come here, come see earth. So man for sure earth respect. You know, see it. So when we see truth, virgin, we can't deny it. And I talk this loud anywhere we go in the earth. It's the only way to life is Rasta. No other else way. You know, and when we move to town now, you know, the eating change. Find out say I start have sinus problem. You know. Every sinus problem till I can't even sing, my throat swell up more while. And the teacher look at me and say, because I go music school, you know, I study music, you know, for a while. So the teacher at the time, she looked at me and she said to me, say, you know, if you stop eating white bread and white rice and white flour, you know, that will help you for the sinus. I'm going to stop. And trust me, I see that change there. So that was one of the first things that kind of pushed me to stop eat certain things in the city. Because it take me a while to start I'm city food, you know. Yeah, man, when I go to town and my mother give me a certain, I say, Mommy, I want this. I want me rent or me sitting because of that me used to.
Yeah,
you understand me? So it's like, when I stop eating white rice and white flour and things, I realize I start get better. You know, sinus problem gone and, you know, the more we grow, the more we start to see it up in the world and the more we start to, you know, follow the ways of His Imperial Majesty and we realize system will give you a bag of food to kill you off. All of these highly processed food. You understand? Because one of the major ways a population control is food. You understand me? Nobody now live for see no 100 again. My great grandmother, she was 105, 110.
110.
When she tried out.
Great
Great grandmother too. See, they say, it's not a joke, me I tell you. And these people used to eat natural jungle food. My grandfather up the road, him a 93 and he don't have a stick of walk with him. Walk and he chat to you just to see him laugh with you. Tell you everything from him and you to you. Come straight.
Tell you everything here, man. Tell
You
you which part
understand?
of your jungle you use and everything.
And if no mind sharp and him talk too much, he tell you say, I'm going to take up his machete and I turn him close and chop out a face. Can't play with him. A farmer man. You know?
Yeah.
So the man there, you know, so when we look and we say the food thing in the city I beat people, we lose a little cousin to cancer. You know? And if I didn't know, when I know, if I knew that, then she would still be alive today, I guarantee you that. Because all them do is suck you dry, take all your money hospital, take all your money. And keep you on medication, and just take all your money same way. People can understand that the herbs is not a quick fix to your thing, you know. It's a daily eating lifestyle. The food you eat every single day. At that, I gonna nurture your body and heal your body. You understand what I try to say? So when me see that happen to my like a cousin now, it kind of push me to let go certain things and go in, go through town and see the heap of processed thing then. Get out some products 3-6 months them there on the shelf. That them have a feed the nation. You understand what I try to say? So we have to know so what you know. We as youth who are side Rastafari and live we live. We can't depend on Babylon to feed we. We are born Babylon, we can't born Babylon and eat from Babylon pot. You understand what I try to say? So me know saying all of my trad when me trad in earth, no matter what me do in earth. The most important thing me is find my own food, see it there. Not talk about buy no food from nobody, but find my own food. Plant my own, find a way to have a little land something about.
And it's good when you know the earth, man, know the food.
You understand me? All Rasta youth from all four corners of this earth. Find a little square of land somewhere, buy it, capture it, do something and plant it up for yourself.
And then you feel independent. Be self-reliant.
Because you don't have to depend on no white guy for food, for nothing. If them are poison, half a nation in the supermarket and not poison it. You understand me? Look how much sickness them see them come bring about here. Look how much things them come use. And it's all about population control. So we have to know these things, Virgin, and it's all about self-sufficient and self-reliance. Self-governance, man. And you plant, you find this is your plant, you get whole heap for yourself, you can give away something to your Virgin and your neighbor, and you have like for sell too. And get the Babylon paper. To do if it deal with the system, if you have to deal with it. But we can't live a life where we're so much dependent on this system. What if like gone in California or New York for 1 week? Where we go? How man live? Can't imagine these things. And we keep on seeing where in the system is failing us time and time again.
And we there years and now like that.
So we have to find other ways, Virgin. We have to find other ways as youth and youth in at this time. So the liberty of Rasta never change. We did deal with the earth from morning. We now left the earth and go hotel and go no resort. We still have to deal with the earth, and that's our mission. We still have to deal with the earth. You understand me? Anywhere you live as Rasta youth, you can't plant. If nothing can plant that as far as you have to pray for Exodus. Because I don't fear that. The life not there. And I just saw it going on. Might sound radical away, but I just shoot in a fire youth. I just shoot. Yeah man, Marcus say how much man I think say out of city. At least 10 miles out of city. So where we are waiting?
We there now.
Yeah man, when we go to city, if you are going to city with whole heap of sitting, cocoa, dashing, fruits, this, rare. And that food you carry in a city as far as you. I give to the people and I feed the nation and make sure say one zone of the city with the battlefield strong.
Yeah, you can't afford them one of them.
You dig what I say? So I just saw it thing go brother, we can't go and like say we want to get too hype. And every man a king, but man a king and man don't want to deal with the earth. You understand me? Tell him encourage people, take care of the animal and eat from the earth. You understand what I try to say? Eat from the earth. Because that is the healing of the entire population of people. You deal with the earth, you eat the herbs, you deal with it. And some people complain, say, well, they know how to cook and cook certain things. And now I'm modern time.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.